Welcome, I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, I'm going to share with you how I make my Mexican meatballs, guys. These meatballs are to die for. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. What we need to do first, guys, is set your oven to boiler and grab a cookie sheet and place some tin foil and place your poblano pepper. And we're going to roast our pepper for about 8 minutes. And during that 8 minutes, go in and flip your pepper so both sides can get roasted. This is how my pepper is looking after 12 minutes roasting in the oven. So now go ahead and place this in a Tupperware or a Ziploc bag. And we are going to continue the steaming process for about 10 minutes. While we wait for our pepper to steam, go ahead and place your Frettos in a food processor. Now pulse until it's crumbly. This is how it's looking after. This looks great. Now go ahead and place this into a bowl. Now add your milk. Give it a stir. And we want the Frettos to soak up all the milk. So now, take your pepper and remove all the skin and seeds. Using the same food processor, add your pepper to it. To that, add your cilantro, garlic cloves, and your small onion. Now blend all that into a paste. This is how my paste is looking. So now place it with your Frettos. Whisk 2 eggs and pour it in your mix. Now make sure this is well combined. This looks great. Add your ground beef. Season with some chili powder, adobo seasoning, and black pepper. Now go in and make sure this is well combined. This is how it's looking after it is well mixed. We are going to use that ice cream scoop to make our meatballs. And don't worry about this mark. This is from the pepper that we had roasted earlier. So what I like to do is place that in my hand and make a ball. And we're going to continue the same process for the rest of our meatballs. And as we are doing this, guys, go ahead and preheat your oven to 400. We will be placing these in the oven to bake. Here are my meatballs. I was able to place 18 on this cookie sheet. And I still have some in here that I will be cooking after these are done. Place these in the oven for about 12 minutes until they are slightly brown on top. We are going to make an enchilada sauce over medium heat in a large skillet. Add your oil, your flour. Cook this flour until everything is well combined. After it's all combined, add your chili powder, cumin, onion powder, garlic powder. Now go ahead and give that a mix. Once you're starting to smell the aroma of the spices, go in with your chicken broth. After adding in your chicken broth, we want this to thicken, and then after that you can turn off the heat. This is how my meatballs are looking after being in the oven. So now what I'm going to do is place them in my enchilada sauce. After adding in your meatballs, go ahead and simmer for 2 minutes, and this should take us to the end of our recipe. Hello guys, so my Mexican meatballs are ready. Take a look. Doesn't it look amazing? It took me about an hour to get this meal ready. Now it's time to enjoy it. That is good. That is the best. The meatballs goes perfect with the enchilada sauce that I just made, guys. It is just incredible. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.